What's up, y'all? It's Nate from Texas Carbon. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to swap out your OEM Camaro steering wheel for your new and improved, fully custom steering wheel from TexasCarbon.co.
The first step is to disconnect the battery. We recommend putting something in the way to ensure the battery stays disconnected. Use a thin cylindrical tool on either side to push the springs in and release the airbag. Once the airbag is released, there will be 3 wires that will need to be disconnected. Once the airbag is removed, you will need to disconnect the wiring harness and the main bolt. Carefully feed the wires through as you remove the wheel and try not to rotate the clock spring. The next step is to transfer over your airbag module to your new airbag cover. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 4 bolts on the back of the module. The back cover can then be removed. Allow the airbag unit to slide out. Be careful not to unravel the airbag itself. We also recommend holding the airbag upside down for an easier removal. We're going to move back to our OEM steering wheel and begin transferring over necessary components. First step is to remove the main trim piece. When removing the main trim piece, remember to unplug the buttons. Then, use a T20 Torx bit to remove the side buttons. Next, use a T25 Torx bit to remove the OEM paddle shifters. Your steering wheel's wiring harness might have a zip tie holding it on. Carefully remove it. Next, we're going to disconnect the heated steering wheel module. Before dealing with the transferring of your heated steering wheel function, please be advised we highly recommend professional assistance. If you're going to attempt this yourself, please reach out to our support email by visiting our website if you need any help or have any questions. With that being said, we're going to reuse the heated steering wheel connector on our old wheel by cutting an inch or two before the connector. You will need to splice and solder the OEM connector and wires onto the new heated steering wheel wires. There will be 4 wires total as shown on screen. Next, we're going to remove the silver button trim and install the carbon button trim. Now, we're going to install our new carbon paddle shifters. On the bolts, we're using a little temporary blue Loctite and screwing them in. Next, we're transferring our OEM wiring harness as well as our side buttons into the new wheel. Now, we're going to transfer our OEM badge to the new wheel. In our experience, there's no better way to do this than to pry the back clips off. We recommend using some sort of glue or adhesive made for emblems. Here, we're using 3M's plastic and emblem adhesive. Next, we're going to assemble our heated steering wheel module on the new wheel. Now we're plugging in the side buttons and paddle shifters. Now it's time to connect the main trim piece by plugging in the left and right connectors and carefully clipping the trim into place. To install the new wheel, the first step is to put the new steering wheel on exactly the way the old one came off and thread the wires through the same place they came out. Now, clip the harness back in as well as the black connector in the bottom right. We're using a brand new bolt with Loctite pre-applied. This isn't necessary but recommended. You want to thread the bolt in by hand, then torque it down to 35 foot-pounds. The final step is to install the new airbag. Connect the pink, purple, and red clips. Align the airbag and press until you feel it click. Visually inspect to make sure the airbag is evenly set.
And now it's time to ditch the old steering wheel. I hope y'all found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Shoot us a DM, and as usual, thank you for shopping at Texas Carbon.